talk about anything under the sun. We are sisters, we are friends. We've got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends will always, always be. We always have fun being together. You know me the best, we're friends forever. The good times and bad, I'm here for you, sis. Right by your side, hit or miss. We are sisters, we are friends. We've got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends, the best of friends. The best of friends will always, always be. We are sisters, we are sisters.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat!
Pero bago ang lahat, congratulations to our director, Louie Ignacio, for winning the Best Music Video sa CMMA Award. Only Selfless Love. Congrats, Direk. Bana.
Sis,
Tamo, iba talaga.
iba talaga ang mga Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Pang world class.
O tulad na lang na makakasama natin today. Lahat sila nag-uwi na ng karangalan sa ating bansa. Mga grand prize winner at runners-up
Alright.
sa mga prestigious singing competitions abroad.
And we're glad to have them here with us dito sa Sis on Stage.
Voice of Asia 2002 second place and awarded Most Beautiful Contestant.
Ganun pa, Miss Arnie Hidalgo.
Voice of Asia 2001 grand prize winner,
Miss Ladine Rojas.
and the 4th International Midnight Sun Song Festival 1991 grand prize winner.
Miss Ivy Diolan.
Dito lang yan sa Sis on Stage today. Join us here, Ladine.
Hello?
Hello.
Sabi ko, na-inhale
Hindi ka
ko
ba
lahat ng
napagod?
fog. Then, na-inhale ko lang lahat ng galing sa fog machine. Sabi ko,
Pagod para sumakit
parang
ang
nachochoke ako sa sobrang daming fog.
Anyway.
Malapit na naman ang December. Okay lang yun.
Okay.
Feeling white Christmas
Oo,
ba?
correct.
Sabi nila nakukuha daw ang galing sa pagkanta sa jeans. In Ladine's case, wala, ikaw lang ang unang kumakanta sa kanila kasi you're from a political family.
Oo, yun nga, akala ko nga, iniisip ko na nga, baka ampun ako. Hindi naman, ma'am. Hindi lang, kasi wala talagang mahilig kumanta sa family ko. Walang marunong.
Ikaw lang talaga, paano ka nakahiligan ng kanta?
Kasi lagi ako nanonood ng TV.
Ayan.
Tapos yung mga jingles ng mga commercial, napansin ko lang sa ulo ko siya. Tsaka mas
Pansin mo
inaabangan
lang.
ko siya kaysa dun sa pinapanood ko.
Yung mga
Ayun.
jingle lang pala ng commercial.
Yun.
Doon. Si Miss Ivy naman, yung lolo niya, ang musically inclined. Siya ba yung naging inspiration mo? Was it only your lolo? He's the only
Partly my
one?
grandfather. Actually, I did not get to meet him, no? In my mom's side and my dad's side,
Parehong mga
parehong
kumakanta.
musically inclined sila, gifted.
Si Arnie na kapatid ni Jeffrey.
Kapatid ba si Jeffrey?
Oo naman.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Sorry po. Hindi ko alam.
Kuya.
Frustrated singer ba ang mami nyo?
Ay, opo.
Talaga?
Actually, siya yung nagturo sa amin kumanta kasi since mga 3 years old ako, kumakanta na ako noon eh. I've been joining mga amateur contests, ganun. Pero yung lola ko talaga yung singer during her times.
So, nasa dugo talaga nila. Sa atin, bakit wala pa sa atin ng, Diyos ko naman, sana man
Nasa
lang
dugo natin ang mahilig
Baka sa
ko
mga anak,
mahilig.
lalabas.
Sa mga,
Oo
sa
nga,
anak ko
sa
sana
ano,
din,
lalabas.
tatay nila
Because of father.
kumakanta. Tsaka yung
Oo.
mami nila, di ba?
Okay ka naman.
Ang kapal na mukha.
Okay ka naman.
Okay.
ngayon, papakinggan naman natin ang may mami na frustrated singer. At ang kapatid ni Jeffrey.
Alright.
Si Arnie with her version of Joey Albert's Yakapin Mo Ako. Grabe na itong umagang ito.
Oo nga.
Sus.
So tell us, yan ang inyong winning gowns.
Medyo
Oo,
slight.
nanalo kayo
Sila
eh.
din ang kwento niya, nasuot niya yung gown na yan, ilang degrees?
5 degrees.
Parang ano,
Lamig.
freezer.
Oo, ganon.
Tapos naka-backless ka pa. Ayan, backless
yan,
po
ayan.
siya. Ayan,
Paano ba
backless.
yun,
Yan,
basta ganon.
backless siya. Tapos kumanta ka, buti hindi nasira ang boses mo.
Slight. Kasi,
Diba? Nanginginig yung boses mo nun.
alam mo, ano na lang, siguro tama yung sinasabi nilang mind over matter. Sabi nila,
Oo.
kailangan yung
Kukondisyon mo siya na
yung
hindi.
lahat ng iisipin mo, dapat yung time lang na yun kung ano dapat maganda.
So, nandun kayo, na nasa competition na kayo, naisip nyo ba at some point na, wow, mananalo ako, sana manalo ako, or
Actually, ako hindi ako talaga but I was hoping
Of
na
course,
manalo.
you're hoping.
Kasi
but,
all the contestants are good eh. They're superstars of their own country. Kaya parang,
Also,
Mami, baka kantahin niyo yung mga winning songs niyo.
siguro mga a few lines we'll try.
Of course. At actually, ngayon,
sila din.
sila din.
She will sing her winning piece, Where There Is Love.
Okay.
Go, Ladine. Naano kami, masyado kaming nanood.
Oo. Kaya ka naman pala nanalo. Mas beautiful eh. Ang ganda ng registro mo sa screen.
Oo, pretty, pretty.
Sabi niya, may kamukha ka daw. Hindi niya malaman talaga.
talaga
Baka si
ako.
Jeffrey yun.
Aside from Jeffrey.
You know? Para sabi
Nahihirapan
nga
ako
nila, di para
mag-isip.
siyang babaeng Jeffrey.
Kanina sabi nyo, bibigyan nyo kami ng sample
Ayan,
ng winning
ah.
song nyo. Siyempre sila din kanina kinantanan niya yun.
Ako lang pala yun.
Miss Ivy,
Okay.
sige.
Kanta
Alin
natin
doon?
to.
Ako, alin doon? Lahat yun.
Yung apat, medley.
Oh. 5 yun, sis. Sorry.
Lima
ah,
pala, sorry.
Oo.
Sorry po.
Now I know for sure there really isn't any cure to ease the pain of a broken heart. If there's any doubt, maybe we can work things out. Remember it was you who said forever.
What were the other songs? Kahit
The first song, 1983, was that was in the ASEAN Song Festival, written by Venice Saturno. Pipilitin kung ano yan. Kung akin lang ang daigdig na walang hanggan, bawat galawag at ikot niya'y aking matatanaw. Yun lang na. And then 1985, the ABU Song Festival, which was held in Singapore, Venice Saturno rin.
grabe siya.
Sino
Kuya
pa
Benny,
nga
ah.
ba? Yun lang alam ko linya.
Sino pa nga?
Yun. Actually, Tagalog yung kinanta ko doon, pero nanalo kami.
Oo nga, yung
Best
unang
performers.
dalawa,
Yeah.
Tagalog. Tas
Unang
sa
dalawa, sister.
Oo.
Okay. Tapos yung pangatlo, napapagalata. Yun yung,
Yung
No Way
game-
to Treat a Heart by Louis Ocampo and Gina Godinez at the Asia Pacific Singing Contest together with Dulce kami. Yung Manila
Ay.
nanalo doon.
Oh my gosh.
Oo.
Tapos yung fourth,
Tapos yung fourth,
napakalital naman ng
yung
combination na yun.
ABU Golden Kite World Song Festival,
Golden Kite.
a song written by Jose Javier Reyes,
Oh, Jerry
and
Reyes.
music by Danny Tan.
Mm-mm.
The title of the song is Easy to Love You. Itong pinakamadugong kantang
Bakit?
inawit ko hanggang ngayon.
Pasample.
Naku, sample. 'Cause it's so easy to love you, but I know it would not be the same. You won't know why or what to do if unexpected this feeling in me came.
Sus.
Tapos yung pinakalas, yung Midnight Sun Song Festival, ito rin pinaka-tough because we have Europe at saka America kasama dyan.
Ay,
Kasama
kasama
Sampu
sila sa
kami.
contest.
Out of worldwide to actually, pero 10 lang, isa tayong napili, Pilipinas. 10 kami naglaban.
Oo, di ba?
And we
Oo.
sang, I sang 2 songs actually. It was held in Finland. So I had to sing a Finnish song.
Ha?
Pero tinranslate sa English.
Ah, okay.
Yes. Pero
Tapos,
ang lumikha, Finnish.
Finish.
tas yung
Pero
isa,
inawit ko rin yung, ito rin, Easy to Love You.
o ngayon, Miss Ivy, buuin mo na yung kanta from your album.
Yes.
From your, hindi na pala album ngayon, CD na pala. Ang luma ko talaga. Album.
Maghahalata.
Buti hindi ko sinabi LP, 33. Oh, ito.
Ikaw kasi cassette eh.
Cassette. CD. CD po ni Miss Ivy. Ito ang Ivy at the Movies. Ang kakanta niya po ay I Could Fall in Love. Ito na ang mga nanalo sa Sistrip Kita kahapon. Berlin Casulia ng Quezon City, Ethel S. Torres ng Pampanga, Cheryl F. Bernardo ng Bulacan, Dolores F. De Los Santos ng Pasig City. Congratulations sa mga winners. Ite-text ng GMA sa inyo ang PIN number ng 500 peso prepaid reload na napanalunan ninyo. Kaya sa inyong may mga beauty tips, mag-text na. Type iWrite space TIP space at ang beauty tip mo at ipadala sa 2344 for Globe and 4627 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. Abangan sa hapon kung napili ang beauty tip mo. More than 20,000 pesos ang ipamimigay every week. At pwede ka pang manalo ng 50,000 pesos kung ikaw ang may pinakamadaming entries. Kaya sali na sa Tip Kita.
Best of friends, we'll always, always be. We are sisters. We are sisters. We are sisters.
Sis would like to thank Bambi Fuentes,
Salon de Manila,
Chloe for Janice Eyewear,
Cornerina Vision for Jelly's Eyewear,
F&H Folded and Hung,
Wayless Center,
Optical Works,
Balut Creations,
Zenzest,
JBL Furniture,
Grand Flora,
Wade Shoes,
Janilyn Shoes,
Cal Computer School,
Colleen Appliance Center,
Maldita.
Kama Kusina at iba pa, Medical Plaza,
Congratulations, baby, dahil ikaw ang napiling Baby of the Week. Nanalo ka ng 2,000 pesos. You can claim your prize at Sis Production Office, 8th floor GMA Network Center, EDSA Corner, Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Look for Louie Cadag tuwing Lunes, 1 to 3 p.m. Congratulations! Yan!
Ang CD nila din.
Sabi mo yung album. Yan ang CD nila. Uy, lumabas pa yan sa London! At si Direk Louie pa ang gumawa ng kanyang MTV. Diba?
Okay. Happy first year anniversary to all the staff of Ocean Adventure, especially to Miss Nina Castro.
And thank you to Colin for our TV monitors.
Siyempre, thank you again, Mr. Elmer Saison,
Yeah.
for being here today. Finally, na-thank ka na namin ng tama.
At
kasi
nandito
nandiyan
ka.
na.
Oo, diba?
At mag-happy birthday daw si Miss Ivy.
Happy birthday to
Ay,
Happy
Janice.
birthday!
Hala, Janice.
Happy birthday to Sandy and happy birthday to my mom on the 28th. Happy birthday. And to all those who sympathize with us during my brother's journey with the Lord. He's up there in heaven. Thank you so much. Last October 10 lang.
Ay,
But
condolence.
Condolence.
salamat po sa mga prayers niyo and being with us all the time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Once
you.
again, we'd like to thank our guests, Miss Ivy Violan, Arnie Hidalgo, and Nadine Rojas. Thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng nanood sa amin today.
Sis,
Ginagawa mo. Okay.
babalik ako sa dati kong pwesto.
Only the best among the best singers in the country ang may kay kumanta nitong kantang ito na ipinanalo ni Regine Velasquez with standing ovation mula sa audience sa Asia Pacific Singing Contest noong 1989.
And we're lucky and very honored na nandito sila Ivy Violan, Arnie Hidalgo, and Ladine Rojas to give us their version of this award-winning song, You'll Never Walk Alone.